Today, we are going to find out how interesting integers are. Are you ready? Okay, we are going to start with the definition of the different terms related to integers. The first term is positive number. So it is a number greater than 0. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as this number increases to the right, the greater the value of that number. Okay, negative number. Negative number is a number less than 0. Say negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. And as this number increases to the left, it means the value of the number is getting smaller. Another term, opposite numbers. These are numbers that are the same distance from 0 in the opposite direction. Let's say negative 3 is opposite to positive 3. Okay, now another is integers. Integers are all the whole numbers and all of their opposites on the negative number line including 0. Say 7 opposite negative 7. Okay, next is absolute value. So it is the size of a number with or without the negative sign. Let's say for example, the absolute value of 9 or of negative 9 is positive 9. Okay, now negative numbers are used to measure temperature. Let's say if the temperature is above 0, let's say positive 20, positive 40, positive 60. So as it increases, the temperature is getting hotter. Now if the temperature is below 0, let's say negative 20, negative 40, and as this increases to the negative, the temperature is getting colder. Okay, another application of integers is in the sea level. Below the sea level, these are the negatives. Above the sea level, these are the positives. Okay, another is, let's say your parents bought a car but had to get a loan from the bank for $5,000. So when your parents are counting all their money, they add in negative 5,000 to show that they still owe that money in the bank. Okay, now this is a hint. If you don't see a negative or positive sign in front of a number, so it is positive. Okay? And then, how to add integers? Rule number 1. If the signs are the same, pretend the signs aren't there. Add the numbers and then put the sign of the addends in front of your answer. Let's say 5 plus 9 equals 14, or 9 plus 5 equals 14. Negative 9 plus negative 5 equals negative 14. Okay, rule number 2. If the signs are different, pretend the signs aren't there. Subtract the smaller from the larger one, and then put the sign of the bigger number. Let's say negative 9 plus positive 5. So 9 minus 5 is 4. And then since the sign of the bigger number is negative, so the sign of your answer is negative. So your answer is negative 4. Okay, another way to add integers is by the use of number line. So if the number is positive, you're going to count to the right. If the number is negative, you're going to count to the left. Okay, let's apply this to an example. Let's say positive 3 plus negative 5. Okay, first is you're going to count 3 to the right from 0. And then from 3, you're going to count 5 to the left. So you will end up with negative 2. So the answer is negative 2. Another example, positive 6 plus negative 4. So first you count 6 to the right from 0 again. Then from 6, you count 4 to the left. So you will end up with positive 2. So the answer is positive 2. Okay, another. Positive 3 plus negative 7. So first is you're going to count 3 to the right from 0 again. And then from 3, you count 7 to the left. So you will end up with negative 4. Okay. Now another one. Negative 3 plus positive 7. So you will start counting from 0, 3 counts to the left. So from negative 3, you count 7 counts to the right. So you have noticed that you will end up with positive 4. So that is your answer. Okay, integer subtraction rule. Subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive number. Change the signs and add. Let's say 2 minus negative 7. So you change the sign into positive. Negative, negative will become positive. So 2 plus 7 is 9. Okay? Then, have you found out that integers are interesting? Aren't integers interesting? Okay. Now, thank you for watching. This is Joanne, your math teacher for 2020-2021. Bye for now.